Hello everyone, I am Shamira, third year Triple Department from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Tirupati. Me and my friend Akila were here to present Embedded System Internship, which we learn from this internship is basics of C programming. In C programming language. C is a powerful general-purpose programming language developed in the early 1970s. It was initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. It's known for its efficiency, portability, and ability to work at a low level, making it suitable for systems and embedded systems. It's obtained called the mother of programming languages due to its influence on many modern languages. Library facilities plays an important role. And then go to the where C is used. C program is a popular and widely used programming language. It is used in building databases, designing compilers, developing operating systems, general user interface, graphical user interface, game and animation, embedded software development, and many more applications C is used. Building database means programs can use C to build database management system, which are software to organize, store, retrieve, and manipulate data. Designing compilers. A compiler is a program that translates a source code written in a programming language into machine code that can be executed by a computer. Developing operating system. An operating system is a software program that acts as a bridge between the hardware and software of a computer. Graphical user interface. While C is not necessarily the go-to language for GUI software, you can still build decent GUIs with it. Gaming and animation. C does not have built-in support for animation and gaming. It lacks features such as 3D graphics, audio, and other multimedia elements, requiring low-level coding to implement these features. These are the explanation where we have to use in the C programming language. This is the syntax of the C programming language. These two are the header files. Void add is the user-defined function and void main is the function calling. This is the syntax of the C programming language. Then go to the data types and modifiers. In C programming language, data types can be classified into three types: primitive data type, derived data type, user defined data type. In primitive data type, it can be consists of character, integer, float, double, and void. Derived data type are again classified into three types: signed, unsigned, and long double. Signed derived data type means signed character, signed short, signed integer, signed long. These are the signed derived data type. Unsigned derived data type means unsigned character, unsigned short, unsigned int, unsigned long. These are the unsigned derived data type. User defined data types are arrays, structure, union, enum. These are the data types in C programming language. Modifiers. In modifiers can be consists of a short, long, signed, unsigned. Then go to the keywords in C programming language. In the C programming language, keywords are reserved words that have predefined meanings and cannot be used as identifiers. These are 32 keywords can be consists in the C programming language. These are the 32 keywords in the C programming language. Conditional statements. In conditional statements in C programming language can be consists of two types: if else, switch statements. In if else can be consists of if else, if nested if. If statement means runs a block of code only if a certain condition is true. Then if else statement means runs one block of code if the condition is true and another block if it's false. Then if else if statement means checks multiple conditions in order. The first true conditions blocks is executed. Then nested if statement means a nested if is when you write one if statement inside another if statement is known as the nested if statement. A switching statement means useful when you have multiple values to compare with a variable is known as the switching statements. Then go to the looping statements. In looping statements in C programming can be consists of three types: for loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop, in for loop, initialization condition updating, then write the block of the statements. In while loop, we have to write condition, then block of the statement. Do while in do while loop, in do we have to write the block of the statements, then we have to write the condition in the while loop. For loop, the control while never enter in a loop if the condition is not true for the first time. The in a while loop, the control will never enter in a loop if the condition is not true for the first time. In a do while loop, the control while will enter a loop even if the condition is not true for the first time. In for loop, no semicolon can be used after the condition in the syntax. In while loop, no semicolon can be used after the condition in the syntax. In do while loop, there is a semicolon after the condition in the syntax. In for loop, initialization and updating is the part of the syntax. In while loop, initialization and updating is not the part of the syntax. In a do while loop, the initialization and updating is not the part of the syntax. And these are the brief explanation about the C programming in the C programming language. Then go to the embedded systems. Embedded system is a computational system that is developed based on an integration of both hardware and software in order to perform a given task. It can be said as a dedicated computer system has been developed for some particular reason, but it is not our traditional computer system or general purpose computers. These are the embedded systems that may work independently or attached to a large system. A few specific functions. Examples include examples in the embedded systems are digital watches, washing machines, smartphones, and automotive systems. The applications of the embedded systems are in the wide range for consumer electronics to industrial machineries and medical devices. And this is the explanation of the embedded systems. Washing machine is one of the best example for the embedded systems. Embedded systems can control the wash cycle, water temperature, and spin speed in washing machines. They make the machine work more efficiently using less water and energy. These are the different modes to control the washing machine. Load select knob, water intel select knob, mode select knob, program select knob. This is the brief explanation about the washing machine. Then go to the components of the embedded systems. In embedded systems, the main component is the CPU. Then software, memory, data, D&A conversion, diagnostic diagnostic port, user interface, A&D conversion, FPGA, then sensors and actuators, electrochemical backup and safety. external environment. These are the main components that can be consist in the embedded system. And then go to the requirements in the embedded systems. Reliability, cost effectiveness, low power consumption, efficient usage of processing power, efficient usage of memory. These are the some of the requirements in the embedded systems. Then go to the problem statement. To prepare washing machine is to develop a washing machine interface and simulate it, which displays and allow user to select different types and allow user to select different types of washing modes and pressing digital keypads and water levels on long press and short of machine. It should display function running and remaining time, and also it should stop when the lid is opened. This is the problem statement to develop the washing machine by using the embedded systems. And then go to the softwares used to develop the washing machine. And these three softwares can be used: MP Lab X IDE, XC8 compiler, PixSimLab. These are the three softwares can be used to develop the washing machine. MP Lab X IDE, we have to write the code and create the different types of files in MP Lab. Then we have to see the output in PixSimLab. These are the three softwares can be used to develop washing machine. We have to develop the washing machine, then we have to use a PIC16F877, a microcontroller can be used. This is the architecture of that microcontroller. Then go to the next slide. LED. LED means a light emitting diode is a semiconductor device that emits light when current flows through it. Electrons in the semiconductor recombine with electron holes, releasing energy in the form of photons. A color of the light is determined by the energy required for electrons to cross the band gap of the semiconductor. This is the diagram of the LED and also mentioned in the parts of the LED. Then go to the next slide. Character liquid crystal display. This is the picture of the CLCD. CLCD is an alphanumeric LCD display module. Alphanumeric LCD display module means can display alphabets and numbers. CLCD can contain 4 rows and each row can print 16 characters. CLCD work on both 8-bit and 4-bit mode. And CLCD can print data in D0 and D7 lines only. It can consist of 2 pins, that is enable pin and read or write pin. Then go to the tactile switches. Tactile switches is also called as the push button. Tactile switch can be consists of 2 types of switches that get mixed up or have their names used interchangeable are tactile switches and push button switches. While similar in nature and function, push button switches are built with traditional switch contact machines. Tactile switches typically offer smaller package sizes than push button switches, allow with generally lower voltage and current readings. Then go to the ISR, fan and buzzer. These are the 3 main components. We have to develop the washing machine. ISR means an ISR is a special function that runs automatically when an interrupt happens in the washing machine. Interrupt means something urgent. A fan is an output device is used to blow air or cool down a circuit or system. This is the purpose of the fan. You can control a fan using a relay, transistor, or motor driver. A buzzer makes a sound when turned on, used for alerts, alarms, or notifications. Let's see the project demo. This was explained by my friend Akila.
Hello everyone, I am Akhilanjeshwari. Let's see the project demo. So recall what are the components used in the washing machine project. This is the welcome screen of the washing machine. Here this in displays the press key to power on the washing machine. This display this one, and this is also known as the CLCD display screen. These are the ports of the washing machine: port A, port B, port C and port D. These ports has different types of control registers. Port A has TRIS A, port B has TRIS B, port C has TRIS C, port D has TRIS D. And coming to this is buzzer and this is the buzzer. It indicates the program completion of the washing machine. When it completes the program, it ranks. And this is the fan of the washing machine. It rotates when the program will be runs. These are the LEDs of the washing machine which displays the indications. These are the 6 switches: switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4 and switch 5, switch 6. These all functions are working by using the with code. Coming to code, this is the code of the washing machine. This is the washing machine file. In the washing machine file, header files, important files, linker files, source files, libraries and loadables are there. Come under the header files, CLCD header files, digital keypad header files, main header files, timers header files and washing machine header files are there. Under source files, CLCD source files, digital keypad source files, main source files, timer source files, washing machine function definition source files are there. This is the CLCD header files. These are all the CLCD header files. These are digital keypad header files. This is the main header files which is used in the main function. This is the timer header files. This is the washing machine header files. These header files are used in the washing machine function definition source file. By creating the main function or source files, take this one and click on right click new and take the C header files in the header file section, C source file in the source file section. If we take the source file, give the name of the file and finish next. This is the steps to create the file. This is the source files of the washing machine. This is the CLCD source file. This is the program of the CLCD source file. This is the digital keypad source file. This is the main function of the source file. Here in the main function, it displays the washing machine. First, press key 5 to power on the washing machine. This is the function of the washing machine. Clear screen function is used to clear the screen after completing of the function. This is the press switches. Switch 5 is start, switch 6 is stop. And this is the timers file. This is the washing machine definition file. These are all the code for washing machine. This is the daily, heavy, delicate whites. These are all displayed on the main function of the displaying in the main screen. It displays the daily heavy delicates are displayed. And coming to the water level, these are all the different types of water levels in the washing machine: auto, low, medium, high, and maximum of the water levels. Powering on washing machine. This is the some code of the washing machine, and this is the timer for the time levels of the washing machine for different types of the navigations. If we press the switch 1, then it shows the message, door is open, please close the door. And go to the Pixim Lab. This is the Pixim Lab. Before implementing the function, we need to fix some requirements. First, fix the board. Board is the Picgenius. Take board and click on Picgenius, then select and select the microcontroller also. Microcontroller is PIC16F877A is the microcontroller. And dump the code by using this file load hex. Take load hex and click on this, then open. This is the code will be implemented in the function. It shows press 5 to power on the washing machine, so we press 5. It displays the powering on washing machine. Washing machine program, daily, heavy, delicates. Then if we press the switch 4, it will be navigated one by one. Then take the long press of this. It can be converted into water level, auto, low, medium. And also take the long press of the switch 4. It shows press switches. Switch 5 is to start, switch 6 is to stop. Press switch 5, start the program. It will be starts. If we press the switch 1, then it shows the message, door 1 is open, please close the door. And the fan will be stopped, buzzer will ring in this. If we stops, then it will be continue the program. If we press the switch 6, it will pass the program, fan will be stopped. Then after this, we will start the program, then press the switch 5. Then it will be continue the program of the washing machine. After completing of this timer, the fan will stops, then buzzer will ring. It shows the message. It takes 1 more minute. After completing of this program completed, and take the cloths. And this is the complete program of the washing machine, and this is the project of the washing machine. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you for Emertex company. Thank you all.